The Power of the Pacific is an ocean climate solution series highlighting the unique ways Pacific Islanders are protecting the ocean. Featuring the islands of French Polynesia, this series will dive deep into the ocean stewardship practices being used to keep these islands pristine. Come join me as we explore these unique aquatic ecosystems and learn how to honor Moana, the ocean, from ancient Polynesian wisdom. Let's go! How can we save sharks by looking to the wisdom of Polynesia? Sharks are our ancestors and ancient wisdom keepers, acting as the immune system and garbage men and women of the sea. They keep the coral reef healthy by eating the dying and diseased fish, invertebrates, and marine mammals. A healthy ocean has sharks in it. Sharks are highly protected in French Polynesia. In fact, French Polynesia has the world's largest shark sanctuary at 4.7 million square kilometers, spanning its entire exclusive economic zone. French Polynesia also harbors more than 20 species of sharks, according to Pew Bertarelli Ocean Legacy, which adds tremendous value to the island's diverse marine ecosystems. Other island nations and large ocean states can implement shark sanctuaries to build a stronger blue economy and boost both ocean health and human health. Comment below any questions you have about sharks or shark conservation. Let's stand up for these vulnerable and beautiful apex predators. Come back for the next episode about coral reefs. All life began with the coral polyp. In Polynesian culture, the coral polyp is the oldest living ancestor. This is the power of the Pacific. Coral reefs protect coastlines from storm and erosion, provide jobs for local communities, and offer opportunities for exploring an underwater universe through ecotourism. They support seafood security and hold knowledge on ocean-based medicines for islanders. They safeguard marine biodiversity and absorb 97% of wave energy headed towards shore as coastal shields. Over 500 million people depend on reefs for food, income, and coastal protection. The world is fighting to protect, restore, and heal coral reefs. Tahitian people with traditional coral expertise are teaming up with scientists to plant thermally resilient coral in areas that favor coral growth. Local organizations are monitoring which part of the reef can survive bleaching events. Global companies are investing into coral gardening so that planting corals effectively can be a solution everyone can contribute to. We need all hands on deck to grow a global movement to restore the health of coral reefs and the communities that depend on them for survival. Come back for the next video on empowering coastal communities and a new generation of ocean guardians to protect their island homes. To protect the ocean, we need the next generation leading the way. This is the power of the Pacific. I'm Bodhi Patil, and I teamed up with my dear friend Henry Tetetemoka Burns to create Moorea Ocean Guardians to help empower young islanders with the tools to protect the Great Blue Pacific Ocean, Te Moana Nui Ahiva. Tucked within the French Polynesian archipelago, Moorea is a heart-shaped island that attracts the pressures of thousands of visitors every year. From bleached corals to rising pollution and ocean temperatures, Moorea needs help from its community, and its community needs support from their ocean. Ocean health and human health are inextricably linked, and so are the solutions to building a healthier island Earth. Moorea Ocean Guardians will teach island youth the leadership, maritime, and cultural skills to protect their island home from environmental degradation and climate change, becoming more resilient. Ocean Guardians can operate as rangers of the lagoon to better manage the MPA and Rahui, reduce pollution, runoff, and threats entering the coral reef environment. Support us by learning more with the link in bio, joining us and sharing this video with anyone who is keen on supporting the next generation of Moorea Ocean Guardians. Come back for the next video on lessons from the most beautiful island on Earth, Marlon Brando's atoll, Tetiaroa. Protect island Earth with us in Tetiaroa, a place of reciprocity and a living relationship with Te Moana Nui Ahiva, the Great Blue Pacific Ocean that connects us all together through the fabric of life. This is the power of the Pacific. Visiting Tetiaroa showed me what is possible when we live in relation with Mother Ocean and stand up to be an ocean guardian. This sacred acknowledgement and appreciation is critical to rebuilding ocean stewardship and working towards a sustainable long-term vision of creating systems of symbiosis. Tetiaroa Society is an organization working to protect Tetiaroa and all the atoll represents. Currently, scientists, ocean rangers, guides, guests, and Pacific wisdom keepers are unified towards preserving these islands with projects focused on removing invasive species, stewarding coastlines and seabirds, Pacific voyaging, understanding shark behavior, and representing what Indigenous stewardship looks like in practice. Follow at Tetsuyaroa Society to learn more and support global ocean collaboration. I'm Bodhi Patil, and thank you for listening to the beautiful stories of the power of the Pacific.